In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Workday. If you're using an Android phone or tablet and you need to get the Workday app installed, this is a very quick process. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. Make sure your device is connected to the internet, either through Wi-Fi or mobile data, because you'll need that to access the Google Play Store and complete the download. To begin, unlock your Android device and open the Play Store. This is the official app store for Android, and it's the safest place to download apps like Workday. Once the Play Store is open, look for the search bar at the top of the screen. In the search bar, type in Workday. As you type, you may see suggestions appear below. Go ahead and search for the app, then look through the results carefully. You want to select the Workday app published by Workday Inc. This part is important because there may be other apps with similar names, and choosing the correct publisher helps make sure you're downloading the official app. When you find the correct Workday app, tap on it to open the app page. Here, you can usually see the app icon, the developer name, and other details like reviews and screenshots. Once you've confirmed it's the right app, tap Install. After that, your device will begin downloading and installing the app automatically. Depending on your internet speed and device performance, this may take just a few seconds or a little longer. During this time, it's best to keep the Play Store open and wait for the installation to finish. Once the app has been installed, the Install button will change to Open. Tap Open to launch the Workday app for the first time. From there, just follow the on-screen instructions to continue. The app will guide you through the next part of the setup process, so simply read each screen carefully and proceed as directed. If your organization uses Workday, you may be asked for company-specific sign-in information, so be sure to enter only the details provided to you by your employer or administrator. And that's it. That's how to download Workday on an Android device using the Google Play Store. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.